This Labor Day weekend, the Kansas City, Missouri Health Department is asking everyone to continue to wear a mask and practice social distancing. The department tweeted this video saying gatherings on holidays can pose a health risk, of course, with people coming together. And after months of staying at home, many Americans will be traveling this holiday weekend to enjoy the final days of summer. Britt Conway reports with millions traveling, health officials are concerned that the pandemic could get worse.
All that holiday travel, raising alarm bells. Health experts say COVID-19 cases could surge after Labor Day and that it's up to us to stop it.
We saw a surge after Memorial Day. We saw a surge after the 4th of July. So if that's any indication, we're going to see something similar.
As of Saturday, there were more than 6.2 million confirmed coronavirus cases and 188,000 deaths in the U.S. Officials warn those numbers could spike if Americans on the move this weekend don't take precautions.
We use Labor Day as a way to take the day off, but unfortunately the virus doesn't.
We don't want to go into that with another surge that we have to turn around again. So it really is an important weekend.
That means limiting the number of guests during family and social gatherings to prevent a super spreader event and avoiding gatherings with people outside your bubble of trust. Experts urge college students to remain on campus to avoid going back and forth. While several COVID-19 vaccines are under development, health officials say don't forget to protect yourself against the flu.
We are expecting to see this sort of double surge, if you will, of both the coronavirus and the influenza virus, which can present very similarly.
I'm Britt Conway reporting.
A key model from the University of Washington now projects the U.S. could see more than 410,000 total coronavirus deaths by the new year. Well, businesses are ready for a busy Labor Day weekend at Lake of the Ozarks, even during a summer marred by a global pandemic. Jeremy Gorham, who's the co-owner of Shady Gators in Lake Ozark, says that he expects this Labor Day weekend to be a big one. His restaurant and bar uses paper menus and packeted condiments. They've set up over 30 hand sanitizing stations, and they have social distancing reminders all throughout the building.
Being Labor Day weekend, weather's really good. There's no college football. So I would think that everybody's coming to the lake because they've got nothing to do.
The restaurant has multiple events lined up for the holiday weekend. And you may recall that the Lake of the Ozarks has made national headlines on multiple occasions this summer. Videos have gone viral of people not social distancing or wearing masks. America's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, has warned that several states, including Missouri, could see upticks in cases after this holiday weekend if Americans are, quote, careless. A new public health order is now in effect in Lawrence in hopes of preventing the spread of COVID-19. Restaurants and bars won't be able to sell liquor after 9 p.m. and they must close their doors by 10. The new rule also limits group seating to 10 people max at any given table. No customers will be allowed to stand or congregate at a bar or counter, and they must be seated to eat or drink. The order also limits mass gatherings to 45 people, and it limits entertainment businesses to 100 people.
Having to close 2 hours early, 3 hours early, that's really a dig in my paycheck because, I work for those tips. So if I don't have people coming through the door, then I don't make any money.
Any business owner who intentionally violates that health order can be fined $2,500. Restaurants that don't serve alcohol are not impacted by these new rules.